Special mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَهَيِّئْ لَنَا مِنْ أَمْرِنَا رَشَدًا. Bless us in our affairs with rushd. Grant us rushd in all our affairs. This concept of rushd, so important. When Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam wanted to accompany Sayyidina Khidr alayhi salam, what was his request? What he wanted from Sayyidina Khidr? هل أتبعك على أن تعلمني مما علمت رشدا? Would you permit me to follow you, to be with you, so that you can teach me rushd? Now, this is Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam. Ulul azmi min ar-rusul. He is not only a prophet, he is not only a messenger, he is from among the great messengers, Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam. And he is following Sayyidina Khidr, who is not at that level, that maqam, and he's begging him, teach me rushd, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him rushd. Sayyidina Khidr, Taj Sir, the crown of all secrets. So rushd is what he asked for. And so this is a great blessing for us to have in our lives. Rushd, this concept of being rightly guided in everything. Rightly guided in our words, what we say. Rightly guided in our actions, what we do. Rightly guided in our thoughts, what we think. Rightly guided with our feelings in our hearts, everything. Rushd. It's an amazing blessing to have.